When you need to extend a rooftop vent stack on a new or re-roofing project, reach for a Tubos vent pipe extension. Installation is quick and easy. Simply insert the Tubos pipe extension into the existing vent stack. Measure and mark the Tubos pipe extension at the correct height, minimally 8 inches above the surface of the roof. Next, cut the Tubos extension with a handsaw or sawzall. Insert the cut Tubos and apply caulk around the flange to keep gas from escaping into the roofing assembly. Flash the vent stack as normal and you are done. The installation process typically takes about 3 minutes to complete. With its unique design, Tubos pipe extensions are guaranteed to prevent water from getting into the assembly. Any water that seeps in at the seam goes down the pipe, not into the roof assembly. Tubos pipe extensions are designed to fit standard 2, 3, 4, and 5-inch vent stacks and can be delivered directly to the job site with your other roofing materials. Tubos gives you the fastest and least expensive option. If you're looking to maximize your productivity and get more value for your money, look no further than Tubos pipe extensions for your next project. For more information, visit tubos.biz.